Hello, good morning, students. Today I am going to start mathematics chapter 4 linear equations into variable. This chapter is very small and very interesting. First things, and in previous chapter, Heron's formula, area of quadrilateral, I said that is excluded from your syllabus. You don't study. In this chapter, problem based on ratio and proportion also excluded. I will not discuss. Linear equation in two variables. All of you know that standard form of linear equation in two variable. Standard form of linear equation in two variable what is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is linear equation in two variable. Here three types of question in first part asking. First, any one equation given, write in standard form. Second questions, which one they are asking? That is, how many solution of this given equation? And third types of questions, by graphical we find the values of this one or the solution of the equation, or how we can represent the numbers on a representation of linear equation on a graph. Then three types of question here, nothing more than. First I will question right here. First type of question, all of you see. Example 1. Write each of the following equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each cases. You see here, very small, no calculation is there more. Solution. First part. First. 3x plus 5y is equal to 7.5. The above equation in the standard form of the above equation written in standard form of linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable what we can write? 3x plus 5y minus 7.5 is equal to 0. Comparing this is, then when you compare standard form of linear equation in two variable, then therefore a is equal to 3, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 7.5. In this way, after this writing and comparing the above equation written in standard form of linear equation. Minus 7.5. Actually, the above equation written in the standard form of linear equation in two variable. This one, ax plus by minus c. Then the value of a is 3.5, 3, b 5. This one. Second, you see here. When second equation you write this one, 4x minus 5y equal to 0. Comparing above equation in comparing the above equation from standard form of linear equation in two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then what we can get? A is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 0. Third one also you see here. First we simplify this one. X by 5 minus y by 6 is equal to 1. LCM what is 30? 6x minus 5y is equal to 1, or 6x minus 5y is equal to 30, or 6x minus 5y minus 30 is equal to 0. Now you compare from the above equation. Comparing the above equation with standard form of linear equation in two variable, we get what we get there. A is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 30. Then in this way we solve the questions. Check 0, 2 are solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 0. 0, 2 is solution of equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. Then you put values of this one. X 2 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. Then 2 is equal to 4. Not possible, na? Then what happened? No. 0, 2 is not solution of equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. If this left hand side and right hand side value comes same on, then it is solution. If not coming same, then it is not solution of given equation. In this way you can complete. So many parts are given in this question. Next example number 3. Example 3. Find 5 different solution of equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. 5 different solution. Solution all of you see here. Here equation what given? X plus 2y is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 minus 2y. Clear? When y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 6. You see here, 6 minus 2 into 0, 6 minus 0, that is 6. In this way. When y is equal to 1, then x is equal to y is equal to 1, 2 1 जा 2, 6 minus 2 that is 4. X is equal to 4. When y is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 6 minus 4, 2. When y is equal to 3, then 3 2 ja 6, x is equal to 0. When y is equal to 4, then x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 4, 6 minus 8, that is minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Hence, 5 solution of equation x plus 2y is equal to 6 is, in bracket, when we write the value, then first which one value we can write? Ordinates value, sorry, abscissa value कामा ऑर्डिनेट्स, और x की वैल्यू पहले लिखेंगे कामा y की वैल्यू. तो पहला सोल्यूशन क्या हो जाएगा? 6 कामा 0. दूसरा वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? 4 कामा 2 1, 4 कामा 1. तीसरा सोल्यूशन क्या हो जाएगा? 2 कामा 2. चौथा सोल्यूशन हो गया 0 कामा 3 एंड पांचवा सोल्यूशन हो गया आपका -2 कामा 4. तो आप एक चीज ध्यान देना, इसको x को हमने ट्रांसफर कर, y को ट्रांसफर किया, आप x को भी कर सकते हो ट्रांसफर, दैट इज योर विश, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. लेकिन ये आंसर लिखने में आपसे गलती न हो. कभी भी कोऑर्डिनेट्स आप लिखते हो तो पहले x एक्सिस की वैल्यू लिखते हो, बाद में y एक्सिस, चाहे जो निकालिए, जैसे निकालिए, यहाँ पे इससे नहीं है. लेकिन यहाँ पे जब आंसर लिखोगे तो पहले एब्सिसा की वैल्यू लिखना, बाद में ऑर्डिनेट्स की वैल्यू लिखना. दिस इज द 5 सॉल्यूशन ऑफ गिवन इक्वेशन x plus 2y is equal to 6. Very simple question. All of you see here. One more last question is remain here, and very small this one, and only these types of question in first exercise. You see here. Example 4. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, each is solution of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Find the value of k. The given equation, what is the given equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Since x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, each solution of given equation, then what's happened there? Given equation, then we have solution of equation, we have what we can get there? 2 into 2 plus, in place of x, what written there? In place of x 2, because x is equal to 2 given, plus 3 into y, in place of y, what given solution? 1 is equal to k. 2 2 ja 4 plus 3 is equal to k. K is equal to 7. All of you see here, very simple question, very easy question. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is solution of given, find the value of x. Then in this equation, x value what given, that's one I put, and y value what's given, that's one in place of y I put. Simplify, and after this we calculated the value of k. Then in this way we calculate our answer. Then you see in this chapter very easy question, no more complicated this one. Then you complete first exercise from R.S. Agarwal 4a. Today all of you complete from R.S. Agarwal 4a, and if anyone doubts, then you inform me. I will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you.